So if you are still facing difficulties with installing DAAG package in Posit Cloud, this is the solution. Let's open a new project. Once it opens, go to Settings, Resources, increase RAM to 2 GB and CPU to 2 CPU. Click Apply Changes. So it's going to restart. These lines that I'm using are available in the description below this video. So I'm using the first one. Just copy paste and hit run. And then the second line, install packages. So once it completes the run, copy paste third line, install packages, interp. So far it doesn't say anywhere error. So let's copy the last line that we need. Copy paste install.packages, DAAG, hit enter. And now we will run library DAAG, all uppercase, hit enter. So it runs fine. So basically by increasing the resources, we were able to solve this problem. So now if we open a Quattro document, I'm going to use the PDF. Package R markdown required, not installed. So let's click install. So I'm going to just delete everything. And this will be heading 1 / library DAAG, and the data that we are going to use is rainforest. So we run this and it runs without a problem. I'll call this heading 1 and / and we'll enter the code and try summary rainforest. So you can see some missing data values. So it now works fine. So as usual, we can save this file as week 1 so that it appears here. And after this setting drop down, we say preview in the viewer pane and then we hit render. So the PDF loads as needed. And here we can change title. Let's keep it consistent like this is week 1 and save and render. So any changes we make, we can see side by side. Thanks for watching. See you soon.